It have been 30 minutes since I put the fish in the oven. So let's check it up and see. I'm gonna be opening this oven right here. Yeah. So this oven is very, very hot. You can't get it, you cannot draw it closer to you without using cloth. This is what I'm using today. So I will carry this one behind and bring the other one close to me. Let me put a light on this oven. Once again, you press the light right here, and the light is on. So this is how I am baking my fish. Yeah, this is how I like to bake my fish. So from the look of things, I think the fish is all ready to eat. So I'm just gonna let it to sit for about 10 more minutes, then it's all ready to eat, guys. So just let me know in the comment section below now. So you can't leave it like this and just close it. You have to carry it behind, draw it back, and then boom, the fish is all ready. This is how I bake my fish, guys. But I'm just gonna let it for 10 more minutes, and it's all ready to eat. Yeah. So guys, let me see if I can turn the light off right here. Let's see if I can just. So yeah, we're just gonna let it for 10 more minutes and it's gonna be ready to eat. Yeah. Just carry it behind. Always make sure push it behind before you close the oven. Yeah. So I think the 10 minutes is over, and I'm just gonna be turning my oven off and then check in the fish and see how it look like. So let's go into the video. I'm just gonna be pressing the X right here, meaning the oven is off, but it's still warm though. Yeah. I just turned it off. It's off, yes, but it's still hot. So now this is the oven right here. I'm gonna be opening the oven.
What is that?
I'm baking fish. Just give me a chance, okay?
Okay.
So let me bring the first one closer to us. Usually the one on the top get brown first before the one at the bottom.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so let me see. I'm not gonna be taking it from the oven. I'm just
I can't wait to eat the fish.
okay, just wait a minute.
Okay, mommy.
So when it get cold before I take it off the oven. Okay. Let me bring the other one closer. Okay. So when I take it off the oven, I'm just going to be showing it to you guys, okay? For now, it's still hot. So I'm just going to be, let me see if I can stir it and see how it look like. Oh my gosh, this is how one of the fish look like. So this is how I bake my delicious tilapia fish right here. Very nice and easy. It came out just as it is. Yeah. It's so nice. So this is what my family are gonna be having for lunch today. Okay. You love the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
So the lunch is all ready, family. If you're just like if you live nearby, you are wholeheartedly invited to
I love the fish.
You are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
We can eat.
So this is what my family and I are having for lunch this afternoon. Yes. So just let me know in the comment section below, what are you having for lunch? Where are you watching me from? What do you think of this lunch? Yeah. Yeah. So this lunch gonna be serve yourself, guys. You just eat as much as you can. Yeah, with this little stew you see over here, you can eat it with rice, boiled plantain, just whatever you want to eat it with, like edo, yam, potatoes, spaghetti, noodles, whatever you want to eat this with, it's okay to eat. Yeah, so this is how my family are having. This is what my family are having for lunch today. Yeah, we love you so much. Don't forget to come back to watch more of this video. On this channel, I do just a little bit of everything. Yeah, I do just a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna put a link down in the comment section below about how to season this fish, okay, or how to bake this fish, how to use oven. Yeah, just whatever you want to learn, it's gonna be easy. Yeah, damn, I love this fish. It's so big. So you can also let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite fish, part of the fish. Do you love the hair, the centerpiece, the tail, just whatever. I cut each of the fish into 3 pieces, the hair, the centerpiece, and the tail. So let's say this is one hair right here. Yeah, this is one hair right here, and this is one of the centerpiece right here, as you can see.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, and this is the tail right here. Yeah. So guys, trust me, if you eat one of this, you're just gonna be okay for the day. And it's a little bit spicy because it's winter from my end. It's cold, so I need something to keep me warm. So with this, you're gonna be all good for the day. I love the top, man. This looks so brown. So guys, support me. Yeah, I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
Come back to watch more of the video. Mwah.
Bye.
Mwah. Bye family. Love
Bye,
you.
family.
Love you so much.
Love you so much.